Welcome to History's Hiccups, Part 58. Discover Wild Bill Hickok, the quintessential Wild West legend. Born in 1837, Hickok was a feared gunslinger, lawman, and gambler. Known for his sharpshooting and bravery, he brought order to lawless towns and became famous for his quick-draw duels, notably against Davis Tutt in 1865. His adventures ranged from spy missions during the Civil War to legendary poker games. Hickok's life ended abruptly in 1876, shot during poker in Deadwood, holding the infamous dead man's hand of aces and eights. His legacy as a symbol of the wild American frontier endures, encapsulating the drama and danger of the Wild West era